In this question, it is given that a body of mass m revolve in a circular orbit of radius r of around the earth of mass me has a magnitude of total energy E. Its angular momentum is. So we know that the angular momentum of an object which is in circular path is m into v into r. Assume that we are having an object of mass m which is moving with a velocity, take it as v naught, which is orbital velocity, and the radius, take it as r naught. So the equation for its angular momentum is m into v naught into r naught. But rm is to write the value in terms of energy. So we know the equation for its total energy or its magnitude of total energy. So actual total energy is minus of g m divided by 2 r naught, or if you are just considering the magnitude of this total energy, so this is going to be g m divided by 2 r naught. So rm is to write the value of this angular momentum L in terms of energy. So angular momentum is nothing but m into v naught into r naught. So we can write this is equal to nothing but the magnitude of kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is half into m into v square or v naught square. So as we are getting the value of this E is equal to half into m into v naught square, we can write 2e divided by m will be the value of v naught square, or we can write a root of 2e divided by m will be the value of v naught. Now in the equation of angular momentum m into v naught into r naught, we can just substitute this value. So the value of angular momentum becomes m into v naught is under root of 2e divided by m into r naught. So if you are just taking this m inside the root, so it becomes under root of 2 into e divided by m, and if you are taking this m inside the root, it becomes m square, or r inside it becomes equal to r square. So we can cancel one m over here and over here, so this is going to be under root of 2em into r square.